Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Gap Duster is probably one of the most underrated cleaning tools out there. We all know those hard-to-reach places, like under the fridge or between the washing machine and the wall, where dust and debris accumulate. This video is all about the Retractable Gap Duster, a simple yet ingenious device designed to make cleaning those areas a breeze. Get ready to say goodbye to dust bunnies and hello to a cleaner home. Number 5. Retractable Gap Dust Cleaner with Long Handle. This innovative duster uses split fiber technology to attract dust and hair. You can use it wet or dry to keep your house clean. It makes cleaning much easier. The handle is made of stainless steel and extends from 31 to 61 inches. This helps you easily clean under appliances. The microfiber cloth cover makes sweeping up dust and ash simple. This cleaner is suitable for bedrooms, living rooms, kitchens, and more. It's easy to clean under beds, in sofa gaps, and on ceilings with this tool. It comes with 2 microfiber cloth covers. You can wash them with water and let them dry. The loop design on the tail makes it easy to store, saving space. If you have any problems, please contact us. We are here to help and will respond quickly to any suggestions or requests you may have. What we like. This duster uses innovative split fiber technology, making it electrostatically charged to attract dust and hairs. It also comes with a long, adjustable handle to reach those difficult spots. If you have pets or struggle with dust accumulation, this is a great choice. It will make your cleaning routine much easier. What people say. It is adjustable and goes around, under, and up and does a great and easy job cleaning. Great for routine cleaning for getting dust bunnies, dirt, and things like dropped berries or pills out from under stove, fridge, etc. from a standing position. Very easy to use, and it does get the dirt dust from under the fridge, washer, dryer, and all hard to get at areas. Number 4. Microfiber Duster Kit with Extension Pole, 5 PCS. This 5-piece microfiber duster kit is designed to make cleaning a breeze. It's perfect for tackling dust and debris in your home or car, covering everything from floors to high ceilings. The telescopic handle extends from 30 to 100 inches, providing a comfortable grip. This allows you to reach difficult corners and gaps without the need for ladders. The duster uses innovative split fiber technology, becoming electrostatically charged as you use it. This helps it attract and hold on to dust, pollen, and hair, preventing them from becoming airborne. The built-in wire allows the duster head to bend up to 360 degrees. The flexible microfiber heads can be bent to any angle, making it easy to clean hard-to-reach areas. The chenille and flat dusting heads are detachable and can be hand or machine washed. Simply slide the cloth off the duster core for easy cleaning. The microfiber feather duster is hand wash only. What we like. This kit includes a bendable cleaning head that can reach any angle. The telescopic handle extends from 30 to 100 inches, making it easy to clean high ceilings and low floors. If you are looking for a comprehensive cleaning solution for your entire home, this kit is perfect. It will help you tackle any cleaning task. What people say. The extendable handle is great for reaching high places. The microfiber head is washable and reusable. It is very easy to maneuver and gets into tight spaces. Number 3. Retractable Gap Duster with Extension Pole. This retractable gap duster is designed with an extension pole, adjustable from 36 to 49 inches. It's made of stainless steel, making it sturdy and durable. It can reach different heights and is perfect for various cleaning tasks. The long, flat, and flexible cleaning duster is perfect for hard-to-reach places. It easily glides between and under appliances. This feature makes cleaning much easier. The microfiber head quickly cleans large surfaces. It traps dust, lint, crumbs, and hair effortlessly. It holds dust without needing extra cleaning chemicals. The microfiber cloth is bendable and washable. You can remove the head for hand or machine washing. The cloth cover has elastic openings, so it won't easily fall off. This retractable gap duster brush is ideal for kitchens, laundry rooms, and garages. It can be used wet or dry, making it convenient and durable. Save time while cleaning your house with this excellent tool. What we like. This duster features a flexible and removable head, allowing you to clean hard-to-reach places. The handle length is adjustable, providing convenience for different cleaning tasks. If you like a versatile and easy-to-use duster, this is the one for you. It will save you time and effort. What people say. The extendable handle is great for reaching high places. The microfiber head is washable and reusable. It is very flexible and can bend to get into tight spaces. Number 2. Gap dust brush with telescoping handle. This long, flat head is perfect for getting into those hard-to-reach places. It easily fits under appliances and furniture, making cleaning a breeze. The design allows it to clean different places. The handle extends from 31 to 61 inches, so you can adjust it to your needs. Made of durable stainless steel, it helps you clean under appliances easily. The microfiber cloth cover makes sweeping up dust simple. The microfiber cloth cover is removable and washable. Simply wash it with water and let it air dry. The loop design on the tail makes it easy to store and save space. Use it in bedrooms, living rooms, kitchens, and more. It's great for cleaning under beds, sofas, and other tight spaces. This retractable gap duster is a versatile cleaning tool. If you have any issues with the product, please contact us. We offer a free return service, so you can buy with confidence. What we like. This duster has a long, flat cleaning head that is perfect for cleaning under appliances. The telescopic pole extends to 61 inches, and the duster is easy to store. If you are looking for a duster specifically for cleaning under furniture and appliances, this is the perfect choice. It will make your cleaning tasks much easier. What people say. The telescoping long handle, extending up to 60 inches, allows me to reach far under couches, fridges, washers, and other appliances without having to bend or strain myself. The brush itself is washable and retractable, making it easy to maintain and store. It extends and does well in collecting dust from under objects we don't want to move. Number 1. Retractable gap duster with extension pole. Tired of struggling to clean high or low places? This duster has a strong extension pole that adjusts from 15.7 to 74 inches. It is made of durable, lightweight stainless steel, so you don't need to use ladders or crouch down. This flexible gap duster bends in both directions and goes back to its flat form. At just 0.3 inches thick, it easily reaches tight spots without bending or crouching. It's perfect for those hard-to-reach areas. The soft microfiber on both sides of the gap cleaner won't scratch surfaces. This high-quality microfiber duster picks up dust under furniture. It also comes with 3 replacement covers for easy washing and reuse. This dust brush cleans under couches and chairs without moving them. You can reach into tight corners and hidden spaces that vacuums or regular mops can't reach. It picks up everything everywhere. Clean dust without the hassle of a vacuum. It is perfect for pet owners and allergy sufferers. This bendable duster can be used wet or dry, making it ideal for cleaning under appliances and hard-to-reach spaces. What we like. This duster features an extendable pole and a flexible design, allowing you to reach tight spaces. It effectively removes dust without scratching surfaces. If you like a duster that can reach everywhere and is easy to use, this is the one for you. It will make your cleaning routine much more efficient. What people say. Works great in small spaces and under stove and refrigerator. I'm able to squeeze underneath narrow places, like the fridge and stove, and wipes years worth of dust out. Gets under the refrigerator and TV stands quite well, easy cleanup. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.